Okay, yeah. Today onwards, I'll explain animation principles in practical. Okay, already I explained you animation principles in theory wise. Okay, now the theory is very easy to understand by reading it, but the same thing if you apply practically, so what will be the result? Okay, so today onwards I'll explain continuously all the 12 animation principle one by one. Okay, in those principles, the first principle is stretch and squash. Stretch and squash. Suppose here this is already I finished this. Check this. I'll explain by pressing Control Enter. See, this is stretch and squash. Here it is normal, and this is stretching and squashing. Okay, the final result will be this. Let us check. I'll explain here one by one. So these are expressions. First, what you have to do, you have to create your character. It might be cartoon character or semi-cartoon or realistic, whatever the character you have to create. Suppose here this is my character. So one rounded head, nicely I place one round, and again here one round. The same I copied and pasted here, like nose. So I designed this nose and the mouth also, and this is the body, because we are planning for an animation. Okay, so what you do, you have to separate all these parts. Okay, so that is the reason after completing my drawing I separately placed in separate layers. Suppose these are for expression, so I included eyes I included eyes, nose, mouth in one layer. So that is this. Okay, yes, for time being close this, and this is my head. See this, this is my head. Simply one round, very cartoonic, because here I'm not going to create any realistic or very good semi-realistic characters and all. So I want to explain, I want to show you what is stretch and squash in a simple way. You have to understand that too within our given time. We have to complete this each and every day. We have to do that. So that is the reason I'm taking very simple cartoonic characters, and I'm trying to apply all the animation principles in our particular simplified characters. Okay, this is my head. Of course, this is my body. So body in a cartoonic manner I designed this, right? And suppose this is the text, stretch and squash. Okay, this is busy. Busy means here the simple color. Okay, now on one by one all. So what I did here, up to 25 frames, so that means almost 1 second of animation, the character will be the same, because after that only he is responding to give the attention, to drag the attention. I place the same animation up to 1 second. After 1 second he is reacting. Okay, right. So what I did, these all frames, expression and head and body and stretch and squash, all the layers up to 24 I extended. You know already how to extend. Suppose here right click and give the inset frame, means this drawing automatically can extend. Okay, the same way here I extended all the layers up to here. Next, what I did, first I'll explain on expression. Yeah. Suppose head and body. Yes. Yes. Here, this is one key pose for expression, and this is another key pose for a head, and this is another key pose for body. Okay, so these are there. And here and the other end, suppose after leaving 1 2 3 4 5 frames here, what I did, I squashed this head horizontally, because this is the squashing position. So that is our assignment. So here what I did, how I did, suppose again I'll explain here. Suppose here I'm removing a shape twin here. Okay, yes, this is normal pose, normal head, and this is squashy head. How will squash that? Suppose here you can press the Q so that you will get this. Okay, now what you do, this point you can keep here, and you can stretch this head, and you can make it down. Okay, with this it is possible, but not here. Okay, so I'm explaining, so that is the reason I'm applying on this, but you have to do here only. Yeah, Control Z. I don't want this. Yes, so that means what, with the transform tool, by pressing Q you will get, so the transform tool, with that you can move your reference point, this point, so that your action, the head position can fix there. The other side horizontally and vertically you can give the action. So that's it. This is this. Okay, I did this, but you have to apply animation between this and this. Okay, so for that what I did, between these two keyframes, right click and I created create shape twin. See that? I created a shape twin. So that means what? The remaining in between frames automatically system, this Animate CC itself, it is creating between this pose and this pose. You have to draw, and these between poses automatically by applying your shape twin, system is generating. Yes, up to here, because this is anticipation, the anticipation. Okay, so we are squashing head the same way, because head is squashing, so your eyes and mouths also can behave the same. Okay, so again, if you remove this, you will understand. This is one and this is the others. So you have to exaggerate these eyes. Okay, by the same, by applying transform tool, you can squash the eye at the same way, give the squashiness to nose also, and for the mouth also you have to squash that. Okay, and between this and this again applied create a classic twin. Because of the classic twin, the in between drawings system automatically it is creating. Fantastic. Then what about the body? Yes, the body also, suppose here this is my body. When you squash, why we are squashing? Because of this action, he is noticing something, stretching with the excitement, he is noticing something, and changing to a normal position. That is the concept. To raise, to stretch his head to notice something, he must have to take the anticipation. Anticipation is what? Reaction. So preparation for the action. This is action. For that you are taking anticipation. In anticipation we are getting squashiness. Okay, so in squashiness your eyes must be closed. So we did that. Okay, so this is your body at this area, and this is the bit squashed body. Between these two keyframes, same I'm create shape twin, so that the middle frames system automatically generating. Okay, this is this. Then after that, what will happen? After anticipation, immediately you are stretching and noticing something. Okay, so your head must stretch here. Okay, so that is the reason what I did. So I stretched head here, squashed here, stretched. Suppose here you can remove this twin, and now see this. How will do this? By adding this, you can give vertically, you can extend this head. Okay, so the before keyframe horizontally we extended, but here vertically we did, right, by free transform tool, by pressing Q. Yes, now between this and this, just we applied the create shape twin. Okay, so because of that the other frames adding into animation. Yes, so for head we did. So what about the eyes? Yes, eyes also must have to do the same. So this is our squashy expression in anticipation, and this is stretched one. So when you stretch, if you stretch your head, automatically your eyes, nose and mouth can stretch. Generally you can find in Tom and Jerry kind of animations. Okay, so this is one pose and this is stretched pose. Between these two key poses I am applying create shape twin. Okay, so nicely, smoothly it is applying. Yes, the same thing we have to do at this body. So for this body, see, this is the squashy body, and here stretched body. Between these two keyframes again I applied shape twin, so that this whole body parts shape twin applied. Right, so here I'm holding 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 frames. I'm holding, I'm applying the same frames, I'm maintaining 6 frames same. Why? Because when you squash and stretch, here you are noticing something, you are surprisingly noticing something. So that means what? Allow few frames to hold that, to recognize something you have to allow a few frames. For that I'm allowing 6 frames. Here he is noticing. Then after that, after noticing, he is coming to settle, he is coming into normal, because nobody can stay in the same stretch fold for long time. After noticing something, he is coming and settling into normal position. For that what I did, see, this is my stretch head. Here I applied the same. I applied the same. Just a minute. అదే కొంచెం ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను. చెప్పు మధ్యలో బ్రేక్ ఇచ్చాను. ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక చేశాను. అవునా చేయలేదు. చేయలేదు. ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్లో కాదు క్లాస్ తీసుకున్నాను. చూసుకో ఒకసారి ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో మరి. రైట్ రైట్ ఓకే. Right. So here this is the stretched one, and here it is again, it is coming into a normal. So what I did, the same way how I did for this squashy head, the same way here I applied the trick, but not this much because it is a squash, that too anticipation. For here this is also reaction. So here to here, here to here, it is reaction. And this is bit squashy. Suppose between this and this, we have to do the same shape twin. So applied shape twin, so automatically the shape twin applied here. We have to do the same for the eyes. Okay, so here the squashy eyes we applied here, but not that much. So according to as per your head size, here the head size is very wider, so that your eyes also wider, nose and the mouth. The same way here the head position is this, so according to that size we stretch it this much only, so that between this and this your action is happening. Okay, yes. Now come to this body. The body also, this is stretched body and this is normal body. Normal body means almost look like the first one, but bit squashed. Okay, so between this pose and this pose, suppose we applied a shape twin, so that this is the action applying between this. Right, after this it is coming into a normal. So again what we have to do, this head just I copied from here the same head, because at the end of the action we have to hold, we have to stand like the first pose. So I copied here and pasted. Okay, at the same way, and between this and this I applied suppose between this and this I applied shape twin. So between this bit squash head and this normal head, action is applying it. Okay, the same way between this squashy eyes and this normal eyes, normal nose and mouth. So these I copied and I pasted here. Okay, right. This is body. Yes, between this and this body and this body are the same. Okay, so I copied this and pasted here. So between this and this, again applied shape twin. Okay, so already applied here. So this is right. So this is the action. After this, you have to allow few more frames to resist the audience eyes. So suppose if you don't allow at least these many frames, after completing this action, immediately it is connecting to first frame and it can be a quick loop action. So to avoid that, you have to allow the same frames up to here. So how to extend? Suppose you can select these frames, right click and insert frame, so that these frames automatically can insert. So but right now I don't want, so already extended. So these are the action about a stretch and squash. Okay, suppose Control S and you can play on the timeline, play, enter. So this is your action. Okay, and suppose by pressing Control Enter, you'll understand this. Yes, see, from this is normal position and taking anticipation and stretching and noticing something and coming into normal. So this is stretch and squash. Understood? So after squashing, and this is stretching. Okay, so for the stretchness, he is taking anticipation nothing but opposite direction, is getting down first and then stretching head and settling into normal position. This is a smooth action we applied with simply by applying shape twins. Okay, by shape twins we finished this assignment, stretch and squash. Okay, so you also do yourself and apply the principle, and if you have any doubt, just please ask. So this is today's assignment, and take care. These are very, very important. As an animation student, you must have to understand all these things. So theoretically something we did, but practically also you must have to understand this, and you can apply in whether it is 2D or 3D in production, whatever the animation it is. So you must have to understand them, otherwise the waste of your time it can be. Okay, so try yourself on simple character, design character, and separate all these parts, body parts, and do it. Something you can sometimes you have to copy at least the same character, you can design yourself and apply, then you will understand. Okay, so please practice this, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you.